In the sweltering heart of South America, long before humans etched their stories into stone or stalked beasts with sharpened sticks, an unthinkably massive creature ruled the forests, not with claws or fangs, but with sheer, immovable presence. Towering up to 20 feet when it reared back, weighing more than an African elephant, this behemoth was Megatherium, the giant ground sloth, a herbivore so massive it shattered every known rule about what a prey species could be. But this wasn't the sloth we recognize today, dangling lazily from trees with that perpetual sleepy smile. This was its lost world cousin, a walking fortress cloaked in fur, moving through prehistoric landscapes with thunderous slowness. It didn't just live in a different era, it defined it. The giant ground sloth wasn't a creature of quick movements or terror. It was an embodiment of evolutionary rebellion. Nature designed it to do one thing: persist. In a world of saber-tooths, dire wolves, and terror birds, it refused to evolve for speed or aggression. Instead, it evolved for endurance, strength, and raw planetary presence. Its arms, longer than a man is tall, ended in claws so massive that early explorers thought they belonged to dragons. These weren't weapons of predation, they were tools for digging roots, toppling trees, and raking foliage. But make no mistake, when threatened, this sloth could rear up on two legs and become a bipedal wall of muscle and claw, capable of turning a jaguar into pulp. Their skeletons have been found across the Americas, preserved beneath volcanic ash, in cave systems, and even in the darkest depths of sinkholes, always eerily intact, as though frozen mid-movement, like ghosts of an ecosystem long gone. But what scientists found most disturbing wasn't just the size, it was the timing. Many species of giant sloths walked the Earth less than 10,000 years ago, which means they lived alongside early humans. Cave art discovered in Patagonia shows creatures that uncannily resemble them, suggesting that humans not only saw these beasts, they hunted them. Why would a gentle giant go extinct? The answer may lie in that brutal overlap of time and progress. As Ice Age climates shifted and humans spread, these enormous creatures likely became slow-moving targets, victims of both environmental collapse and relentless pursuit. Despite their size, they couldn't outrun spears or time. But in recent decades, something eerie has emerged, too persistent to ignore. Deep within the Amazon rainforest, regions yet to be fully explored, villagers speak of sightings, a towering furred beast that leaves massive clawed tracks in the mud and tears down palm trees in a single swipe. Could Megatherium, or one of its lesser-known cousins, have evaded extinction? Could it be that the jungle swallowed this titan whole and has been hiding it in plain, unstudied sight? Researchers have uncovered bizarre DNA traces in the soil of Amazonian caves, genetic echoes that don't match any known modern animal. Are these just misreadings, or are they the whispers of a species that cheated death? If Megatherium somehow survived, it would rewrite everything we know about extinction, deep time resilience, and the arrogance of human history. It would mean that some monsters didn't die, they just became myths, hiding in the green shadows of time. One thing is certain, the giant ground sloth didn't die because it was weak. It vanished because it was too strong for the world that came after.